What's up, guys? So today we're gonna be reviewing these Oreos, the most stuff, most cream ever. Today I'm gonna be doing like a more detailed review because I don't feel like I did like a really detailed review on the cereal I did last time. So really sorry about that. So what I can notice right away is that there's definitely a lot less Oreos than the normal package, but they definitely look a lot thicker, you know. So it might turn out to be better. Damn, that's really creamy. You know, don't roast my feet. Definitely tastes really creamy. If you like the creamy part of the Oreo, I suggest these for you. Like, man, it tastes pretty good. It tastes really good, but I can see how it can get old really quick. But if you really like the creamy part of the Oreo, then I suggest these for you. Because they taste quite good, you know, the cream. So, yeah, that's what I think of it. It tastes pretty good. Yeah, so, if you really like the cream part of the Oreo, I suggest you, maybe buy these. I'm gonna ask my brother. I'm gonna ask my brother, if he wants some. I want Oreo.
The fuck?
It's thick.
What the fuck did you do to this Oreo?
It's a thick Oreo. Do you like it?
What did you do to it?
What? Eat it, you fat bitch. You just bit it.
Oh.
So, do you think it's good?
Uh-huh.
So,
It's fucking scary, man.
So my brother thinks it's pretty good. So, I'd really suggest these to you. It tastes really good. But I'm not gonna have any right now because I just ate those Takis right there, you know. So that's it for my food review today. I definitely suggest these to people who really like the cream part of the Oreo. So yeah, that's it. See you guys in like tomorrow maybe. I don't know. I'll upload tomorrow. Yeah. See you guys later. Yeah.